Alright, this does not look fancy or good. Huh. That's what we call in the biz a dead end. This road hasn't been ridden in a long time. There's like grass growing on it and stuff. I hope that oh, that's probably why. No. Oh my god, I don't know how long I've been on this road. That is a big gully. I don't think I could jump that. I could go around. Oh, there's a gate over there. It looks like there's nothing there as well. Let's go try it. Might as well, right? We're so close to that town. All right, here we go. We gotta go this way. Let's keep moving. Come on, don't give me a dead end. The deeper I ride in, the further I have to get out. That was either a great shortcut or a horrendously bad turnaround. But I'm gonna go a little slower because it's obviously not been used in some time. Cool. They're cows. What's up, cow? Hola, cow. Neveria. I wonder how you get here if you don't get through all the stuff that I did.